work. And I used to think, yeah, I can do stunts, I don't need to do cables, ye वगैरह. But you know, when I actually use some cables for the first time, I realized that it's an art in itself, and it's very difficult to maintain a body language.
You manage to get the chemistry, because that is some really hot chemistry on screen. How do you manage to pull out that chemistry? How was it, first of all, shooting with Jacqueline? I mean, the chemistry was hot, like really hot.
I think it's easy for any actor working with Jacqueline Fernandez to, you know, look hot. She just makes everything on screen look hot around her. And yeah, I mean, not just that, props, hats off to Remo sir for, you know, just making such a beautiful set, and you know, just giving us that costume and the liberty and the choreography to sort of look sexy and nice together.
What was your first thought when you heard Beat Pe Booty? Quickly, first thought.
Instantly, my body started moving before I was thinking. On its
Body
own.
or booty?
Yeah, same.
All right.
Booty was on the body parts.
So, into this song as well as the movie, we want to know how much of prep have you put into this, you know? Because it's not easy playing a superhero,
this is
right?
Definitely, I think, for me, my most challenging film, and I'm very happy that Remo sir has given me this challenge and let me become his superhero. Action को लेकर, character को लेकर, I think बहुत सारा prep हो चुका है. You know, we've एक अलग किस्म की action दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं हम. And this is my first time using cable work, and I used to think, yeah, I can do stunts, I don't need to do cables, ये वगैरह. But you know, when I actually use some cables for the first time, I realized that it's an art in itself, and it's very difficult to maintain a body language on cables. So you know, it's not easy being a superhero. And also for the character Remo sir's, you know, I've done action films in my past, 2 films, and here I get a chance to, you know, tap into some humorous action. So that's a very difficult genre to express. But thanks to my director, he was very clear and he told me exactly what I need to do. And that made my job easier. And, you know, hats off to the legends like Jackie Chan and all who make it look so easy. So, yeah.
क्या brief मिले थे इस गाने को लेकर रेमो सर से आपको?
Brief?
जी.
बहुत पहले की बात है, पर कुल मिला के बस obviously एक सुपर हीरो किरदार है जो मैं करना चाहता था स्टार्ट से. It was touching upon बहुत अहम messages है इसमें, nature को लेकर, environment को लेकर. So that was another very valid point Remo sir wants to express, you know, taking care of our environment in this film. And बहुत ही मेरा character बहुत I really related to my character. मुझे बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि बहुत ही simple सा लड़का है, बहुत normal सा लड़का है, माँ से डरता है, you know, he's एक अलग किस्म का सुपर हीरो है. Powers, whatever powers he gets, he can fly, पर ऊंचाइयों से डरता है. He's scared of fighting. So that's why I liked him. He's very normal, बहुत very human superhero मेरे हिसाब से, and that's the brief Remo sir.
Yeah. Jacqueline always keeps on saying that you are a good dancer. So did you teach any steps to Jacqueline on how is it dancing with Jacqueline?
बिल्कुल नहीं. I think both of us are decent dancers, but we have the dance master with us. So the dance master is teaching both of us. पर बहुत ही मेहनती लड़की है, बहुत ही inspiring actress है. I think साथ में मेहनत कर रहे थे, and उनकी जो steps थे वो काफ़ी अलग थे मेरे से. तो I think, you know, that it was just a lot of give and take. It's not like we had the same steps other than the hook step. And wherever we went wrong, we had Remo sir and his choreographers helping us.
Missing Jacqueline besides you?
Yeah, we are, but she's here.
And you, Tiger?
I was with her the whole day.
Yeah.
And I'll see you tomorrow again. So. Yeah.
But Remo sir, what does basically Beat Pe Booty means? But what does it means to you, Be?
For me?
Yeah.
Play
Personally.
the music, it's just beat and booty.
But Tiger, can you
move.
say that it's a perfect combination of both? One, a superhero, second is a good dancer. So what do you want to share on stage for now? For Remo sir?
Sorry, I didn't get your
A mixture of two. You've been a superhero also and he's a director for dance also. So it's a mixture of all in one.
So that's amazing, na? That means you can see ABCD and you can see a superhero film.
मतलब picture super hit. That's
exactly.
What
So ये भी 3D में बना लेते because you have done ABCD also in 3D, so this also could have
Yes,
been in 3D.
I wanted to. I'm not saying that कि मेरे दिमाग में नहीं आया था. Of course, we all started off making. When we started, we thought कि ये वाला भी हम 3D में बनाएंगे, but there was because this was a new genre, I was touching action and all this stuff. So I said, "Okay, I'll make this one, and inshallah, maybe the sequel will be in 3D."
But
Achha,
Remo sir, is Hollywood the only benchmark for Bollywood stars?
I don't think so.